Do you know someone who is always moaning about their back or neck pain but won't do anything about it? Here's how you get around that point. Say to them, do you know what's causing it? They may say, well, someone said it was a nerve, someone said it was a muscle or a joint. Say to them, I know someone who will chop you through, chop to throat, find out what's going on, take x-rays if necessary, and tell you exactly what's causing it so we can find a solution. That will only cost you £60, which is pretty good these days. So, that's Chance Chiropractic. We can't wait to see you back.